Welcome to this video, where we'll take a tour of the Portfoliobox Admin Panel and explore the tools you'll use to build and manage your website. We'll begin by guiding you through creating a page and understanding different elements. Then, we'll navigate through the various tabs of the admin panel. At the top, you'll find tools for creating content, editing your pages, and managing your website. In the center of the screen, you'll see a preview of what you're building. To help you understand how everything works, let's start by creating a page. We click the Create button at the top and select Sample Gallery from the list. We'll name the page Gallery, leave the option to add it to the menu enabled, and click Create Page to confirm. The page opens with sample images, so you can immediately see how a gallery layout works. Every page in Portfoliobox is made up of sections, and each section contains elements. Let's take a closer look. Here you can see the website menu at the top, followed by a first section with a white background and a gallery section with a grey background. Each section contains its own elements. When you hover over a section, edit buttons appear. And when you hover over individual elements, they are outlined with a dotted frame, making it easy to identify what you're working with. For example, the heading and the small tags in the first section are two separate elements, while the image block in the second section is a single element. You can also choose to add a new section above or below any existing section. Now, let's open the section settings. Click Edit Section, then head to Styles. This is where you'll find all the available style options for the section you're working on. Next, let's look at Elements. Click the pen icon next to an element. You'll see everything you can do here. Change the content, adjust the styles, delete the element, add a new one, reorder elements, or drag and drop them into a new position. For now, let's delete this element. Click the pen icon next to this element. Under Styles, you'll see everything you can customize for just this element. You'll notice you can also customize the mobile version. The preview automatically switches to mobile view so you can see exactly how it will look, but we'll cover this in a later video. Let's click the desktop icon to return to the desktop view. Click outside any panel or press the Escape key to close it. Now, let's explore the other main admin tabs. Under the Edit tab, you can edit your pages, set your start page, update blog posts, manage products, bookings and appointments, and edit any password-protected pages. Next is the Styles tab. This is where you'll find your global styles, which apply to your entire website. You can also switch to the mobile view here to see how your global settings adapt across devices. We'll take a closer look at these in a later video. Open the Libraries and Tools tab to access your media library for images and soundtracks, archives for messages and subscribers, e-commerce orders, bookings and appointments, as well as business tools such as invoice, quote, in-person payment, and file sharing. Now, head to the Settings tab. This is where you'll find all your general website settings, e-commerce settings, blog preferences, account details, subscription information, interface language, and the option to exit the admin panel. Finally, click View Live. Here, you can preview your portfolio, publish your website, and check your usage. Under Upgrade, you can choose a subscription plan. At the bottom right, you can ask our chatbot questions and contact our support team if needed. At the bottom left, you'll see the preview icons, the mobile preview, which appears directly inside the admin panel, and the desktop preview, which opens in a new tab. In the next video, we'll dive into building our first gallery and uploading images. See you there!